everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be discussing the Target beauty box, so stay tuned. So I got my Target beauty box in the mail. They are $7 a piece. There was 2 of them this month. There was this one, which is their beauty box, and then they had another one that was for skin. The skin box didn't really seem too interesting to me, so I ended up not getting that. So let's open this up. Take the plastic off. Let's see what's in it. So this is the front of it. And then it also comes with a $3 off card to use for cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. So, and this is what it looks like inside. So the first thing I see is some premium cotton rounds, and that's a 2-pack. I love these, you know, to put micellar water on my face and toner. I use these all the time. And next I see some Method Body Penny Rose Water Pink Sea Salt Pure Peace Body Wash. Let's see what that smells like. Oh, that smells pretty good. So it's not a big bottle, but hey, that's a decent sized bottle. So not complaining with that. And next we have some Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water, all in one, waterproof. And that is it. And they did safety seal it so it does not spill inside your box. And next we have some 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum, Love Beauty and Planet argan oil and lavender relaxing deodorant, and that is that. And I know this retails for at least $8 itself. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love that. So awesome. And next is this. It's Skimmet Activated Charcoal Mouth Paste. So this is toothpaste and charcoal. And next we got some Cocoa Butter Formula Skin Therapy Oil. I love this stuff for dry skin. It works so good. And that's safety sealed too. And there's not any smell to that at all. But that, hey, I'm not complaining. That is very nice to have. And the last thing in the box is this Maybelline Masterpiece All Day Liquid Eyeliner. And that is what it looks like. And I'll do a little swatcheroo. And that is the felt tip. Oh, that's perfect. That did a perfect line. Let's see if I can. Oh, I like that a lot, actually. So that is it in my Target beauty box. I try to get them at least, you know, once a month. Like I said, they have differentiations if you want. Sometimes they actually have other boxes too, and I've seen them on Target for $14. But they usually have more products in it, and it's much more value of your money. But for $7, I mean, we got this eyeliner, this charcoal toothpaste, this skin therapy oil, Love Beauty and Planet deodorant, which is a full size. We got this Method Beauty body wash, which is still a decent size. We got some micellar cleansing water and some cotton rounds. So I'm not complaining at all. So I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't. You know the routine. And please subscribe and ring the bell. You'll be notified every single time that I upload a video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.